So a little bit about me. I solve really, really tough problems. If it's a problem 14 people have failed before at it, I raise my hand. If it's something that they consider impossible, and it's been difficult, but it has to get done for the business, that's when they call Doreen. So outside of getting most of the .com on during the companies during the .com era, I digitally transformed Dell Manufacturing and about 1,100 other companies since then as an analyst. I integrated 8 acquisitions for Deutsche Post WorldNet, was a Fortune 10 officer before the age of 40. Most recent problem I got called in to solve was on a sabbatical at Microsoft, where I was designing the next generation of Azure, including installing a data boundary. For those of you not familiar, Azure used to have paired regions. That meant they explicitly were moving data from one region to another for resiliency. And they were also very transparent. So it wasn't just customer data, but all the log and metadata. And they told the whole world where all of those related data. And so because of that, the architecture had to accommodate it all as well. Tons of fun. But today, we're here to talk about data collection, privacy, and why you should care. And let me tell you, I have the most amazing panel, and they don't always agree. So we're going to have a great session.